What did Santa bring you? What did Santa bring you? Here, Bonnie. Here. What did Santa bring you, Clyde? There she goes. There's the paper. What did Santa bring you, Clyde? Oh, he wants the paper. She wants the paper too. What is that? What is that? What do you say? Go get it. Bonnie, come here. Bonnie, come here. What's this? Bonnie, what's this? Bonnie, what's it? I want more paper. Give me that. Bonnie, put it. Like, nope. It's like, hey, is that it? What's it? Go get it. That's not yours. This is yours. Clyde. 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 What do you say? What do you say? Go get it. Give me that. Okay. She's looking for more. Give me that. Get. I give 2 minutes. You looking for mommy's gift? Look, she's got. What's he doing, Munchkin? Right now, if I pull out one of the teas. Uh-oh. Is this one?
Yeah.
Oh, no, this is one. Uh-oh, what's this? What's Daddy got? Can you help Daddy? You gonna help Daddy open it?
Daddy, help me down.
Give her, sweetie. What is this? What did Santa bring you? Uh-oh. Is this a new treat? Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Sit. Nice. What do you say? Say thank you, Santa. No, you can't have all these.